So these brothers and sisters are holding on to their faith with their molar teeth, no matter what that government tries to do. And I want you to take that away with you, inshallah, this day. And remember that whatever they have tried, the Uyghur Muslims will stand firm. The Kazakh Muslims will stand firm. The Turkic-speaking Muslims of East Turkistan will stand firm.
The Uyghur people represent an old civilization. They are a distinct ethnic group and they are being targeted because of their ethnicity and their religion.
Let them know that we will not accept for these crimes to go silent, and we will demand that the international community and the UN acts against these crimes and hold China responsible for the atrocities against the Uyghur women, children and men.
On the 13th of November, a day after the National Day of East Turkistan, again another demonstration will take place in London as well as in Manchester. And we must start to build for that. We must start to tell people about the plight of the Uyghurs, the suffering that they're facing, and what we can do, and indeed we must do.
Join us at this demonstration of solidarity with more than 50 national organizations to stand for Uyghurs.